Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna show to you or share my games for Nintendo DS and 3DS. So this one right here is for my Nintendo DS right here. This one, okay, and I'm gonna this first is for my okay. First is this one. So this is a 488 in one games, so many games that you can play, and I can also use this in my 3DS, which I can use it also in my 3DS. So I'm gonna buy another this one for my 3DS so that I cannot switch to another device, switch to another Nintendo, okay, handheld, so that I can have a separate game for my 3DS. So this is for my DS Lite. So okay, right here is also I have this, okay, Super Mario Kart DS, which is this one is the Japanese version. So this is the Japanese version for the Nintendo DS, Mario Kart DS. And I have this also Pokemon Dash, great game also, and I love it. So very challenging game. So Pokemon Dash, and also this is the Mario Kart DS, which is the English version, the Mario Kart DS. And I cannot play it is because there is too much. I don't know how to open this one. I just want to clean this up so that I can use it in my DS. And this is this is from my 3DS, which when I bought it there is already the Mario Kart DS on it. So this one, oh okay, this one right here is the game. What is the game over here? Okay, the it's opening it up. So it's because I clean it up. It's because it cannot be read in in the system. Okay, it cannot be read. So that's why I have to open it up and clean it. So this is the Touch Master 3, which there's many games on it for my Nintendo 3DS. Okay, so the box is in here, the case is in here. It's a Touch Master 3 on it. So okay, I'm gonna go to this one. This is the uh, March Madness 3. So it's a matching game, so for my Nintendo 3DS also. And then there is the Avatar, the Legend of Aang, the Burning Earth. So I'm not ready to play this game. There is the game in here, right there. There's the game, and the next one is there's the Match Madness 3, more than 25 games. So there it is. So here it is. Okay. And then also I have also the Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1. So this is the last movie. The last movie of the Harry Potter, and then the last movie for the game. So there's the game on it. So Harry Potter. So I don't yes I have to check it out. So okay. And then I have this also a 42 all-time classics game, billiard, chess, card game. Okay, this one, okay. There's the game also in here. The I just did it is so heavy. The the case is so heavy is because there is a manual also, a manual and instruction how to play the game. So that's why it is so that's why the case is so heavy on it. So there is the Touch Master 3, which already I have it there. I already have it in here. Is the Touch Master 3 right there. So I'm gonna get my 3DS to check the games, okay? So I'm gonna try. So this one, the March 3 Madness. So okay, right there is the March 3 Madness. So I'm gonna try to play. Just a quick only. So as you can see, the Nintendo Switch. Nintendo Switch. I I always say the Switch. Okay, so the Nintendo 3DS. So I already okay. Gonna put the Scotty. Okay. And then you can choose any games on it, so you can choose any game in here. So I'm gonna try this. The first. I'm gonna try the first one. So just like this one. So this is only the ordinary game. Okay. What in the world? Okay, there's no move. No move slip. Okay, I see. I see a move right there. Okay. That's good. Just like a cozy game. Right. A cozy game. A kiwi, okay. And then an umbrella. A cozy game for Nintendo 3DS. This one right here. Okay, so get back to home. And then I'm gonna try another game. So, okay. Okay, there you go. But it's not readable. The game card is not readable. Right, it's not readable, the game card. So as you can see, that is the slot for the game card, but it is not readable. So I'm gonna try another game. To test. Okay, so another game. So I guess I need to clean this up so that it will read. So I will try this one if it's gonna play, if it's gonna read. Oh yes, you right. 42 all-time classics Nintendo. So it's reading. Okay, let's check. Right. Okay. Single player and then free play. Basic card game. So bowling, darts. Okay, there's also bowling, darts, billiards, balance takeover. So let's try some bowling. Okay. Oh, Oh, okay. Wow, nice. Okay. Love this kind of game. Okay. Okay. That is the CPU. Okay, it's my turn. Oh, okay. That's better. Okay. Yeah, I like this kind of game. Whoops. Okay, I miss it. Okay. It's the CPU again. Okay. This is great. This is great. I love it. So, game's working. Okay, it's my turn. Oops. Yes. Okay. There's still more. Okay. This is an addictive game. Oh shoot. Okay, that's better. Really good. Okay, really good. Nice. Um, what is that? Okay, last one. Ah, okay. So not good at it. So okay, let's get back to the home. So in order for me to change a game, I have to turn it off and then change it into another game card. So this is because the 3DS cannot read the game if you can the if it cannot read the game if you don't have the if you don't have to turn off the the game the 3DS. Okay, let's try this Harry Potter if it is working. Oh, okay, really. Okay, Harry Potter Electronic Arts. Then let's gonna check it. Okay, so really good. So very impressive. So I'm gonna enjoy playing it. So look at that Electronic Arts, that logo, Warner Brother Games. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh. Okay. Let's gonna start a new game. Yes. Graphic is not too good. As you see Voldemort that yeah, I don't know how to play this game. Graphic is not that good. It's a bad graphics for the 3DS. So I think the good game for the wanna say Harry Potter is that in the Nintendo Switch, which is a good graphics. Okay. Oh shoot. That's why. Okay, I have to touch the screen. I have to touch the screen to fight those deadly hollows. Ha! Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, right. That's okay. That's very good game. Very good game. So that's it, guys. That's it for my vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching my games, okay, and also review and sharing my games and my handheld collection and my gaming collection. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell below. Okay, so thank you.